Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Beverly's hot tips for building resilience by celebrating Cheer Up the Lonely Day. Let your friend or family member know that you are thinking about them. Send them a message, call them on the phone, or go for a visit. Let them talk and vent. Give them a hug, take them out, play, ask what they need.
Make your mark, take our lead.
4 things you should never say to someone suffering from loneliness. You just need to go out more and meet more people. You just need more confidence. You'll stop being lonely when you meet your other half. You should join a meet-up group or do more of what you love.
Make your mark, take our lead.
What to say to a friend who is feeling lonely. First, validate their feelings. Then, ask a question that helps invite reflection. Utilize the 2 A's, affirm and ask, to see how you can help. Encourage them to reach out when they're feeling down. Make a plan with them to do something fun digitally.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.